Hi, my name is Jeff Martin, and I teach English classes here at Truman. I'm teaching English 101 in this particular learning community, and I'm really excited to teach English content and writing and connect it to really important events that are happening just outside our doors.
And hi, I'm Joy Walker, and I teach science. I teach both chemistry and physical science. And so the courses I teach with Jeff are physical science, which is geology, and meteorology, that's weather, and astronomy.
So what you would get out of joining our learning community is an English 101 credit, which you need, and a science with a lab, which is another credit that you need. So you get both courses, you attend both classes as regular classes, but our classes are connected together and organized around a common theme. So our learning community this semester is called Earth Abides. We've taught it in the past. We've taught together for 2 semesters. And Earth Abides is, do you want to explain what Earth Abides is?
Well, we talk about the permanence of the Earth, but we talk about also natural disasters. And so just to illustrate that, I have here, for example, some popular movies like Armageddon, which was about a meteor, an asteroid hitting the Earth, or Core, where the core of the planet fails, or floods, because we all know floods can cause disasters, or volcanoes, because we all know volcanoes can cause disasters, or earthquakes. And so we talk about all of these phenomena in the context of physical science course and also the human side. Like, I can give you the facts, the figures, and we can learn a lot of vocabulary, how things work, but the advantage of having a learning community is that we also see all of these events from a different point of view.
And that's the real strength of this learning community, is that you learn the sort of facts and the science of the events in the science class, but then in the English class it gives us an opportunity to explore some of the social and cultural responses to the disasters. So one of the events we look at is Hurricane Katrina, and our students get to study it from a science perspective, the facts of the storm, but we also look at what were the events leading up to Hurricane Katrina, what were the effects after the storm, and who got recovery aid and who didn't. And these are things that are inflected by race and by class, and are really important to talk about still 10 years after the storm. And that is a way of leading into a novel called Age of Miracles, as well, which is a novel that's about to be made into a film, and it's a very quick, enjoyable read. And we finish with climate change, which is an extremely pressing issue that a lot of people don't know anything about, or much about, and have, and including myself, I wasn't confident coming into this.
And one of the advantages of content in science is that if you're going to have debates, you want to have informed debates. And that's what having a good vocabulary and a good background does.
Mm-hmm. So this LC gets you 2 credits that you absolutely need, a really interesting, engaging topic that crosses both of the courses. You emerge as far stronger with far stronger understanding of science, a much stronger writer, and you get to know a whole cohort of students who are also freshmen at college.
2 credit courses.
2 credit courses.
Right. It's 5. It's 3 credits for you and 4
right.
for me. So 7 credits altogether.
So we hope to see you in January.